everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Siddhi Mapxencar, co-founder of fashion label Mapxencar and founder of digital fashion learning platform called NIFT, where you can learn fashion online. I have more than 18 years of experience in the field of fashion industry, working across design, production and the business side of fashion. One of the most common questions I receive from students and parents is this: fashion education is so expensive. Are there any scholarships available for fashion students? And the answer is yes, absolutely. But the problem is that many students simply don't know where to find these scholarships or don't know how to apply for them. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a complete and a detailed guide for fashion scholarship. We will talk about scholarships which are available in India, which are available for studying abroad, real examples from top institutes and practical tips that can increase your chances of getting into one. So if you dream of becoming a big fashion designer but worried about the cost of education, this video is very much likely to help you. Let's begin. So let's first understand why fashion education can be this expensive. Fashion education is not just theoretical, it is very practical and skill-based field. Fashion students need access to professional resources like sewing machines, pattern making tools, textile laboratories, draping studios and design softwares. Many fashion programs also include workshops, industry exposures, travel and sometimes also international collaborations. Now, because of all of these resources and facilities, fashion education can be really expensive. Programs can range anywhere from few lakhs to sometimes even 1 crore plus if you study abroad. However, the good news is there are several scholarships and financial assistance programs that are available across different colleges. And this is particularly for the talented students. So if you have creativity, dedication and a strong portfolio, there are definitely ways to make fashion education much more affordable for you. Let's start with some examples of scholarships available in India's top design institute. First up, we have National Institute of Fashion Technology. NIFT offers something called the Financial Assistance Scheme. This program supports students whose family income fall below a certain level. Now, based on the income criteria, students can receive partial or a significant support towards their tuition fees. The amount of assistance will differ, but it can also be a meaningful proportion. So one must look at what are the options available with these sort of schemes. Secondly, we have NID, which is National Institute of Design. It also provides financial assistance for students who demonstrate financial need. Now, after securing admission, students can also apply for financial support. The institute evaluates the application based on income documentation and other factors which are required. Third, we have private design colleges. Now, many private design institutes in India also offer scholarships. These are based primarily on entrance exam performance, academic merit, portfolio quality or the financial need. Sometimes students who perform exceptionally well during the admission process may receive partial tuition waivers. Now let's understand what government scholarships students can apply for. Apart from college scholarship, there are also government scholarship programs available. This can include central government scholarship schemes, state government scholarship schemes, scholarship for students who are economically weaker from different sections of society, scholarship especially for girls for higher education. Now, sadly, many students overlook these opportunities simply because they are not aware of them. But if you research carefully and apply way in advance, government scholarship can significantly reduce the financial stress of higher education. Now, let's understand scholarship for studying fashion abroad. Countries like UK, Italy, France and the United States have some of the world's most renowned fashion schools. Examples include Central Saint Martins in London, London College of Fashion, Parsons School of Design in New York and Polimoda in Florence. Many of these universities offer scholarships for international students. Now, these scholarships may cover partial tuition fees, sometimes a significant portion of this cost itself, or sometimes even additional support. However, please remember these scholarships are highly competitive and the most important factor in receiving them is your portfolio. So, if you are one of the students who is looking to create a great portfolio to get into one of these colleges, definitely look at our portfolio program at NIFT. Our student Meenakshi joined NIFT for portfolio development and it was amazing to see her get into one of the most prestigious colleges in Italy. So let's understand more about these portfolios. If there is one thing that can significantly increase your chances of receiving this fashion scholarship, it is your portfolio. Your portfolio should not just include beautiful sketches. It should demonstrate your design, your thinking and creativity. Now, a strong portfolio should include all of these things: your fashion illustrations, concept developments, mood boards, inspiration boards, textile exploration, garment ideas. You can also include photography or your styling work. Make sure you also show a lot of manual sketches as well as your digital work. A concoction of all of these things will make a powerful portfolio. Scholarship committees really want to understand how you think like a designer. So make sure you put enough time and effort in developing your portfolio. They want to see your originality and your ability to transform your ideas into fashion concept. So make it really very clear in your portfolio and make your chances on the top level. So let me share some of the tips that can significantly improve your chances of receiving a fashion scholarship. The first tip is start your research early. One of the biggest mistakes students make is starting their scholarship research way too late. Many scholarships have deadlines that are way earlier than college admission process. Ideally, students should start researching scholarship at least 10 to 12 months before they plan to apply to a particular college. Now, this will give you enough time to prepare your documents like your portfolio, statement of purpose, recommendation letter, and all the financial records. The best way to do this is to look at the individual college websites. Always remember, planning way ahead will always give you an edge above the others. Second is building a strong portfolio, which I have already spoken about, but I can't tell you how important it is. A strong portfolio will show your creativity, your design thinking, and your understanding of fashion. This will put a spotlight on you, on your talents, and give the scholarship committee an understanding of your design knowledge. Scholarship committees are interested in seeing your creative process, not just final drawings. Want to try your hand at fashion design? Join me, Siddhi Mapxencar, in our 3-day fashion design workshop, specially crafted for beginners and creative minds. In just 3 days, you will learn fashion sketching, fabric play, and create your own original design, even if you've never drawn before. Just click the link in the description to grab your spot in our upcoming batch. Seats are limited, guys, so don't wait. Let's design something awesome together. See you at the workshop. Tip 3 is write a powerful statement of purpose. Your statement of purpose is where you explain your journey and your mission as a fashion designer. You should talk about following things: why you want to study fashion, what inspires you, what kind of designer do you want to become someday, and how fashion education will help you achieve your goals. Remember, a sincere and a thoughtful statement often makes a strong and lasting impression. Tip 4 is participate in creative competitions and projects. Another way to strengthen your profile is by participating in creative competitions and projects. You could take part in school or college fashion shows, design competition, illustration contests, sustainability or textile design challenges. All of this will definitely help you a great deal. Even small achievements help demonstrate your dedication to this field of fashion. Tip 5, and one of the most important one, is apply to multiple scholarships. Now, you don't have to rely only on one scholarship opportunity, including college scholarship, government programs, and private foundation scholarships. Even if each scholarship covers only a part of tuition, together they can make education much more affordable and easier for you. Tip 6 is maintain a very strong academic performance. Now, why this is important? Although fashion is a creative field, many scholarship programs will still consider your academic performances. So maintain a very good academic record that shows discipline, commitment, and which will all the more strengthen your application. Tip 7 is prepare well for your interviews. Now, some of this scholarship will also include an interview stage. Now, during these interviews, you may be asked about your portfolio, your inspiration, and your future career goals. Be very specific, speak confidently about your ideas, and demonstrate your passion for this amazing career. Lastly, tip 8, stay persistent. I can't stress how much is this important. Also remember that not every scholarship application will be successful. You have to understand that, and based on that, try your best. Remember, many successful designers started their journey with very limited resources but continued working on their craft and pursuing opportunities. If you stay committed to improving your skills and building your portfolio, opportunity will come. So I know that fashion education can be expensive, but scholarship and financial assistance programs can make it much more accessible. If you're passionate about becoming a fashion designer, don't let financial concerns stop you away from pursuing your dreams. Focus on developing your skills, strengthening your portfolio, and exploring every opportunity that is available. And if you like a structured guidance on building a career in fashion, you can also explore Academy SIFT, where we guide aspiring designers step by step. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more content about fashion career and fashion education. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, this is Siddhi Mapxencar. Lots of love. God bless.